This brief video will show how to adjust the hinges on a Entre door model. So the first adjustment we'll do is the height of the door, and if you go to the hinge and look underneath, you'll see that there is a black cover cap. Very carefully take that off, and that then exposes a large Allen key, and this is a 6mm Allen key, and by turning this the door will then raise. And if you watch the head of the door, what you do need to do is obviously adjust all hinges equally, but as you can see, the door is raising in the frame. The next adjustment we're going to do is to move the door across the frame or away from the lock, whichever you want to do. And if you are to open the door 90 degrees, you will see an Allen key in there, which when you remove it anti-clockwise, this screw will release the cover plate on the hinge, and this will then slide up, and when it does, if you come back around to the inside of the door, you will then have access to an Allen key, and that will move the door inwards and as you adjust the Allen key in the side of the hinge, you will see the pin moving, the hinge pin, and this is throwing the door towards the lock side or away from it as you require. Once you have the door in the required position, tighten the grub screw that locks the pin in place, and then reattach the silver cover over the hinge and cover cap to the top.